Erectile dysfunction is an unfortunate fact of life, and intimate performance is an important part of a man's life. A great deal of attention is placed on testosterone levels, and as important as these may be, they're really not the only thing that you need to focus on. Estrogen levels may be equally important, if not more important. Testosterone to estrogen level is really what drives this beast. Stud Mix increases testosterone levels and reduces estrogen levels by inhibiting two important enzymes, aromatase and 5-alpha reductase. Estrogen may be just fine in women, but it counters the effects of testosterone and causes the prostate to swell. It may be estrogen that's knocking the wind out of your sails. By reducing the degradation of testosterone to estradiol, testosterone levels go up, estrogen levels go down, and things improve in your bedroom. Further, Stud Mix contains a substantial amount of arginine and ornithine, often known as poor man's Viagra, increasing nitric oxide, increasing blood flow to your hydraulics. Stud Mix is an intelligent approach to giving you that boost that most men need.